80% of school staff are officially at risk of burnout right now, really stressed, the sustained and unrelenting kind, and you're probably feeling it. But here's what we don't talk about. Researchers put people in brain scanners, had them practice gratitude for 6 weeks, and their stress detection centres literally relaxed. Yes, measurably, even on the scans. In this video, this is what you'll come away with. The actual, simply put, neuroscience of whether gratitude can rewire your brain away from burnout, and the one surprising thing that makes it way more effective, plus how to actually be grateful. Okay, can we get real? Are we talking about just being more grateful? Is that it? Here's a second of science, basic science. When UC Berkeley researchers had people write gratitude letters and then put them in brain scanners, 3 months later, they could still see the changes. Your anterior cingulate cortex, basically your empathy and emotional control center, gets stronger. Crazy, right? But there's more. Your amygdala. This is your brain's overenthusiastic security guard that treats every email from your boss like a tiger attack. Gratitude practice literally makes it less reactive. One study showed 6 weeks of gratitude journaling led to a calmer nervous system and lower inflammation. And yes, dopamine and serotonin are involved, but it's not like you write, "I'm grateful for coffee," and boom, there's an instant happiness injection. It's more you're rewiring the pathways of your brain and becoming better at noticing good stuff instead of constantly scanning for threats. Can we be real here? No gratitude practice, like journaling, is going to reduce workload or change deadlines. But what it is shown to do is to make you more productive as your brain fog reduces and you compare yourself less, amongst other things. So, what are the best gratitude practices for best results? My research shows convincing results on different things. So, here are some options. Maybe choose one that suits you. Just one. The first is to write down, maybe not daily, things that you're grateful for, perhaps in a journal. And that one really works for me. Secondly, you could share things with others that you're grateful for. The process of sharing, apparently, speaking it out and empathizing is powerful in itself. Thirdly, help others, as this is the most powerful way. It's called receiving gratitude back. Now, this really surprised me, but this was one of the really powerful pieces of research that shows if we share gratitude, then as a team, collaboratively, the impact of the gratitude changes our neural pathways, reduces stress, makes us more productive as a team. That's such a win, that one for me. I had no idea. This is why this is such a good team exercise. So here's my take. After diving into various bits of research, gratitude is like a mental immune system booster. It makes you more resilient to workplace stress. It doesn't eliminate stress itself. It can't do that. This is one area that we can work on. Think of it this way. If you're in a burning building, gratitude isn't going to pull you out of the fire. But there are things it will help you with. You're going to stay calmer while finding the exit. You can help other people on your way out. You will recover better after you escape. And you build stronger relationships with your fellow survivors. Is that worth a try? A key takeaway for me has been to be more specific in my gratitude. So rather than saying, "I'm grateful for my colleagues," you say something like, "It was lovely today when Terry bought me a cup of tea when I was marking papers at the end of the day." Do you see the specific nature of the gratitude is really powerful? So can I suggest today, in your schools and workplaces, start to be grateful for those around you. Share it. Be specific. Start to shift the culture and watch for changes, slowly but surely. If you enjoyed this, share it with someone who needs it.